All right. Okay, welcome back. So we're going to talk today. We're actually going to do two sections today because while they're each their own individual day, they're very interrelated, and a lot of times the material gets confused. So I want to do them both together to sort of point out the differences as we go along. Okay, so let's start. We're going to start with 7.2. I believe it's called volumes of integration. And the method is the circular disk method. Okay, and it sort of starts from the idea that the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. Okay, so if we draw our cylinder, let's draw it along the x-axis. Okay, so if we imagine that we have a radius here, let's say this is h. So a way that we could have gotten this cylinder is by taking the integral from 0 to h of pi r squared dx, okay? Where like r, what we're going to do is we're going to generalize this, and we're going to think of r like r being something variable, okay? So let's imagine we have some function. We could do this from a to b. And now we have a more general surface. Okay. I don't think I'm going to get that. That's not bad. Okay. So this, there might be like some vase at home or something that looks like that. Okay, if you flip it on the right side. So the volume here is going to be, well, we imagine that this is some y equals f of x. And so it's going to be the integral from a to b pi f of x squared dx. Okay. Now I'm going to make a quick point here that's not going to really mean much to us in this exact moment, but it will later. Okay. And so one of the things I want you to notice is that our integral is happening along the axis that we are rotating around. So our axis that we rotate around is like, here's the axis, let's call it, yeah, it's the x-axis, okay? And so we're integrating along x, okay? So we're rotating about the axis of integration. Or rather, we might say we're integrating along the axis of rotation. Okay. All right. Let's stop it here. We'll do the next one. We'll do, in the next video, I'll actually do a video on the other method from 7.3, and then we'll start doing some problems. All right. It doesn't matter because I'm going to do it. You don't have the time to give me feedback. So.